Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. Now let's suppose that our computer engineer lead want to give us, for example, the update of some file. First he need to create a new branch, and that's what we will do. Create a new branch, let's name it update. Let's create a new one, and in this update, for example, let's change just the readme file. Here it tells us that branch created and we are on it right now. Let's go to the readme file, click on it, click on this pencil icon to edit it, and let's here with second title, let's say that this file has been updated. It's been or has been. Okay, this is not our lesson for today. So let's give it a commit message, for example, update of the readme file, and let's commit changes. Now it's committed. Yeah, and now, for example, our colleague or our other developer is create this readme is updated, and he's give it to us to continue the change. But not us, if we go to the, if we see the branch that we have in the local with git branch, hit enter, and we can see that we have any just a new branch of update. We have just the master and the new team. So how can we have or download this update? It with the fetch. As we said, the fetch, it's like the pool with some differences. For the pool, the fetch plus the merge, and in this moment we want just to use the fetch, so we want just to download the whole repository. So let's do that. So now let's use git fetch. Let's hit enter, and we see it fetches with the new branch example that we create in the previous video, and the new branch update. So now if we use ls to see the content of the video, of the repository, we see the readme, the new bootstrap file, and now the readme is updated. So if we see cat readme.amd website, no, he's just because we're still in the master, we need to go to this update branch. Then we see the updated, or this new file has been updated in the readme. So now if we see the list of our branch, we use git branch, hit enter, and we see master and team because we use fetch. So fetch, we just download the repository. We need to merge it with code. So let's do that. Here the branch in local, and now we fetch also the remote repository. So let's see all the branches in the both the local and the remote with the same command, but with -a for all. If we hit enter, we see the example branch, the master, and update, it's the new one. So before we go to the update, let's go to Visual Code and click on readme. So because here we are always in the master, that's why it's written just website. So now let's go to the update branch. So git checkout update, we hit enter, and we see that this file has been updated. It's what we write in the remote repository, and now we can see it in our local because we fetch the whole repository in Git and we download it to our local machine with the git fetch command, and now we have all the new branches. So now let's add something in this readme file. For example, I fixed the problem. Let's save it, and now if we use git status, it will tell us that the readme has been updated and we need to add it to the staging area, and after that commit it. So for me I will just use express commit, so git commit -em, and for the message I will add new line in update branch. Hit enter. If we see status again, we will find that everything is fine. And now let's push it. Git push. Hit enter. And the code will be pushed to the GitHub repository. So now if we go back to our website, now we are in the master branch. If we go to the readme, we will not find the update. Why? Because we are in branch master. But if we change the branch to the update branch, which is the branch that has been updated, see here it's written that I fixed the problem. And this is how we can have the new create. First of all, we create a remote repository, and then we use it in our local with git fetch. And this method, it's not known by a lot of developer, because a lot of developer they clone or they download the whole repository just for one branch. They can just use the command git fetch and it will be downloaded, and they can update whatever they want, and after that commit it, then push it back, and everything will work clean. So this is a good and easy way to do that. So this is all for this video. See you soon.